Alright friends, to get started on our rearward wiper arm, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. After that, remove this 13mm nut. That washer off of there. Grab onto the wiper arm, give it a couple wiggles. We want to try to break it free from this shaft right here. There we are. Let's go ahead and remove the wiper blade from this. To get this apart, I'm just going to open it up, slip my hand in here, and then I should be able to do that. Comes right apart. Obviously, it's a great idea to go ahead and replace the wiper blade, but if you aren't, just inspect it, make sure it's in good condition. Now let's grab our new wiper arm. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new wiper arm here. I'm going to go ahead and put the blade on it first. Just come in at an angle like this, give it a nice squeeze, it should latch in. At this point, I'm going to open up the cover. I'm going to bring it right over here, and I'm going to put it up and on here so it's coming straight across. Let's go ahead and put on that washer, and then of course the nut. Continuously holding the wiper arm. Let's go ahead and tighten this now. That feels great. Close the latch, give it a try.